If you earn 20 lakhs or more after tax, you're doing well. You're one of the top 2% of India. But let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel financially secure or just well paid? One salary, one employer, one layoff away from complete chaos. Now, you know you should be building something beyond your paycheck, but between long working days, family, and social commitment, it never quite happens. And another year goes by. Now, in conversation after conversation, I see the same pattern. Engineers earning 40 to 50 lakhs, doctors earning 60 to 80 lakhs, startup managers doing even more, and smart people, disciplined, hardworking, but stuck in the same old formula: work hard, earn more, save some, and invest what's left. Meanwhile, you listen to your YouTube gurus who say invest in index funds, your friends who are swearing by making money with real estate, and your RM pushing you ULIPs, and your broker telling you the next pre IPO breakthrough. And not to forget your crypto Twitter screaming real world assets. So, what do? You freeze. Because frankly, doing nothing feels safer than getting it wrong. Now, in almost every audit that I've done, I've seen 15 to 50,000 leaking somewhere. And this is not from bad investments, but from poor design systems. I'm talking about idle cash, hidden fees, tax inefficiencies, scattered investments. And over years, these design weaknesses, they compound to multiple crores of missed opportunities. And this is not because you were careless, but because no one ever looked at your wealth as a complete system. Not your YouTube influencer, not your banker, not your broker. Hi, I'm Sonia Sharma. I spent 16 years as a Big Four chartered accountant working with PwC London, Anderson Abu Dhabi, and Anderson Delhi. Now, I followed every traditional wealth advice: save more, invest carefully, and that helped me quit my corporate rat race in in my 30s. And then I lost over a crore in a failed business venture. Now, I'd followed every startup guru, done everything right on paper, still lost. And that's when I learned a very hard lesson: that motivation alone doesn't build wealth, structure does. I rebuilt my net worth by studying and applying the frameworks of the world's top wealth voices. I'm talking about Ray Dalio's systematic thinking, Charlie Munger's mental models, Warren Buffett's value principles, Naval Ravikant's leverage frameworks, studying the investment rules of family offices of the 1% in the world. And this is not surface level reading, but I tested them out myself by building a capital design system, which I now call the Phoenix 7 layer portfolio design. And that's what most high earners never get to see. Now, you see, you don't need an MBA in finance. You just need someone to sit down with your real numbers, your real income, your savings, your risk capacity, and your current investment portfolio. And then be able to tell you clearly: here's what's working and here's what's broken. And here's your next intelligent move. And that's what the Phoenix Wealth Scan is. It's 60 minutes of no obligation, just three outcomes: your radical truth. What is your actual net worth? What is your cash flow and your real exposure? Second, structural diagnosis, where your money is misaligned and underperforming. And third, a three-step action plan. Your first defined step based on your situation, not generic advice. So I've done this with hundreds of professionals earning what you earn. And frankly, you know, say Rahul, 34, software engineer, earning 42 lakhs pre-tax, researching for 14 months and zero deployed. After the scan, he found 22,000 per month investable surplus, and he started allocating that within 10 days. I've seen doctors sitting with 30 lakhs in FDs, and people, of course, some people who've been burned once with poor investment advice and find it difficult to trust again. But in 1 hour, something shifts. They see clearly. they see clearly what they've been missing, because structure replaces guessing. And if you've been delaying this, I understand. But remember, every month without structure is another month of investor advice dependence, right? Another month of inefficiencies, another month of hoping things will just magically work out. You don't need all the answers, you need just your very next intelligent step. So book your free Phoenix Wealth Scan below. There's no upselling, there's no pressure. There's just clarity and a diagnosis and your next move defined. So if you're ready to move from salary dependency to building a wealth system that works beyond you, click below and let's design it properly.